Port Charlotte was basically the epicenter of Ian's wrath as the storm made landfall. The devastation there lasted nearly 9 hours as Ian slowly churned up the coast. Thousands of people lined up seeking food and shelter, and that demand has not let up as people try and rebuild their homes and their lives. For more on that situation, I am joined now by Brian Gleason with Charlotte County Public Safety. Brian, thank you for being with us this morning. How are you doing?
Thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
Well, we've just had a report from DeSoto County, inland of you. We've had a report from Collier County, south of you. What's the situation in Charlotte County? 9 hours of a beating is what I've been reading about.
Yeah, pretty much everything had some impact. Some people had severe damage, some people had light damage, some people had just your landscaping damage, other people had whole roofs torn off. There was some injuries and deaths, and it was a devastating event for Charlotte County. And we're just starting to dig out and get the road to recovery.
Now, we're not quite a week on from the landfall, but what difficulty are you all seeing as far as getting people and getting help and resources to where they need to be?
We've got a lot of people coming in from the feds to different agencies in other states and in Florida. Just a couple days ago, we had more than 250 fire EMS specialists that did search and rescue operations in the western part of the county, and we've got more than 250 National Guard. We've got them deployed doing security, doing traffic details, state manning points of distribution for essential supplies. We've got people from FP&L here. We've got the phone companies. So it's been a big push to get things back to normal as far as power, internet connectivity, cell phone service, people getting food and water, and ice is a big deal, gas is a big deal, but that's the case in every hurricane.
So it sounds like you guys at least have the resources that you're looking for and that they are pretty well organized. Am I hearing that right?
Yes, it's been incredible to watch. I'm here in the EOC, and there's 4 or 5 meetings a day of the leadership and different breakout rooms where individual task forces are planning their assault on Ian's wrath over the course of the day or so, and then they report back, and we put missions into FEMA and the state, and we get people coming down to help with areas of concern, and also to spell some of the folks who've been here 24 hours a day since the storm started.
And what about yourself? Do you live in Charlotte County? Is this personally affecting you on top of you having to do your job and speak to me at 6:10 in the morning?
Excuse me. Yeah, I had light damage. Family's safe. And I'm just here to help. Sorry.
That's okay, Mr. Gleason. Take your time. What is it that's gotten you so emotional? Is it just the personal effect that you've had? I'm sure it's just been nonstop going and going and going, trying to answer questions for people when you have your own questions, right?
Right. And had a conversation with my wife yesterday about the insurance part of it. A lot of people talk about, oh yeah, with the insurance will cover it. Depends on your policy. Some people could be facing 5-figure payouts just to cover the deductible. And if you had light damage, your house is going to be repaired. But, who's got $15,000 laying around to cover a deductible to replace a roof, to repair soffits and lights and fencing? So that's something that's a concern for a lot of people. This is an elderly community, and some folks will struggle to meet those deductibles, and so their damage will be lasting for a long time as they pay to repair things out of pocket until they reach the deductible, and then they start getting money from the insurance companies. Hopefully we get some individual assistance from the feds, and that'll cover some of that. So we're looking forward to seeing how that plays out going forward.
So is this a situation where you are working around the clock and then you're going home to just uncertainty? Is that one of the issues that you're facing?
Yeah, here at the EOC, for the first 3 days, we were 24 hours a day during the storm until tropical storm force winds subsided. We were locked in the building. You could not leave. You could not come out. You couldn't come in. Then we, some of us got a chance to go home, survey the damage, talk to the family, figure out, okay, everyone's good. All this can be fixed, and then back to work to help our neighbors.
That's a tough position to be in, because everybody there that's helping somebody is experiencing something like what you're experiencing, I'm guessing. All the first responders, they live in the community, the mayor, yourself, a public information officer. All of you are all victims of this, even as you try to help people.
Right. We've got 200,000 people here, and I don't know anybody that couldn't be affected by this. We're starting to see the community come together. Obviously, this community's been through Hurricane Charlie, which I heard the other day could have fit in the eye of Ian. So we're talking about a much wider part of the community that was impacted. But we're also seeing the rays of hope. People without the power, people are out in the evening, they're talking to their neighbors, they're helping out. I walked by some neighbors the other day walking the dog, and one of my neighbors yelled out, "Brian, when's the power coming back on?" And I said, "About 2 weeks." And then the next morning, FPL told us it's going to be next Sunday for 95% of the community.
I am glad that there is good news, Mr. Gleason, but I am so sorry that this has happened to you all and the folks of Charlotte County. I'm sorry for what you're dealing with, and I hope you all get the help you need. If there's something that we can do or some message we need to get out, please let us know. We can talk to you off the air. We'll make sure we do that, okay?
Yes, thank you very much for having me, and we appreciate the support that we're getting from all over the country.
All right, that is Brian Gleason. He's the Public Information Officer of Charlotte County, Florida, and also speaking about public safety there. Thank you for that. Thanks for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation in your cable lineup. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-based, unbiased coverage.